So that's what people in Govan are saying, but what's the opinion online?
On them. You know, you can only make the suggestions.
Salad's good for you, it's healthy.
So do you think it should be forced upon us with every meal?
No, but I would take, that's how I'm still here and I'm 78.
So is that your top tip for healthy eating? Make sure you've got plenty of salad, plenty of veg?
Make your own soup.
So that's what people in Govan are saying, but what's the opinion online? And with the lovely Katie Palmer, what do other pizza places in Glasgow think about salad?
Everybody's been reacting to the idea that you could have this compulsory salad bar. You could be forced to have salads with your plate.
Yeah.
So Sarah Morris is saying you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Very logistic. You can't force it upon everybody. Karine said it's ridiculous. She owns a restaurant. It's not going to make any difference whatsoever. It's all about education, which I think is a very valid point.
Yeah, another good one from Karine.
Mackie said restaurants. What about bringing down the cost of healthy foods in supermarkets? That should maybe be a key point. You know, fruit's quite expensive. It's very much easier to go for a bar of chocolate. Vicky,
too tempting as well,
especially for some of us. Vicky's saying if it's a free salad bar, yes, go ahead, but you can't force people into paying for salads if they don't want it. So.
Yeah, you don't want to risk people wasting loads of salad, loads of fresh foods.
No, I know. You can see that sometimes in salad bars. It gets kind of abandoned. It
gets a bit wilted.
Yeah, you're not very attracted to it after a while. I know. Miko says it's a bad idea. You can't force salad on people, but you can provide information and ideas about fitness and diet. Education, don't dictate.
I think that has a lot of very good points in there. Yeah, basically make some better health choices, and salad, maybe not the way forward. Katie, thank you very much.
Although we do enjoy a salad.
Yeah, Katie's waiting here to get in touch, so if you have any other salad-related chat, get in touch. Now, we like to get out and about on the Riverside Show and try classes you can do in your spare time. So tonight, Colin is at a ballet class. Have you perfected your pirouette yet, Colin?
Not yet, but we're about to find out in just a second. But after that, we're going to have a chat with Marion Baird first, who's the owner of Dance Glasgow. So first of all, tell me about Dance Glasgow.
Dance Glasgow is a studio for adults of all ability and ages. We put on loads of different classes, from ballet to jazz to tap. We've got things like dance hall, which are really new.